The National Weather Service in Freeport has issued a tornado warning for Cyclone County in northwestern Alabama until 12 a.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. Locations impacted by this dangerous storm include Freeport, Eldora, Elwood. Take cover now. Move into an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows and refrain from outdoors. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, seek out the nearest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.